Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Delightsome Dolls. Today we are looking at the common problem that most of the people faces, which is the ponytail bump. And the worst part is that whenever you want to open your doll's hair and a bump occurs, even after brushing the hairs, that is literally so annoying. So I'll show you a quick tip. I'm gonna start off by taking a bowl, or you can even take a jar, and I'm going to pour some boiling hot water. The water should be really hot. And can you see the water vapors in this place? Actually, before rinsing the doll's hair, comb her hair first in order to remove any tangles. Now I'm going to dip her head into the water. Wait for about 30 seconds. And now comb her hairs and repeat. I've done this process 2 times. Now again I'm going to take that bowl, but now I'm pouring the water over her head. Now that her hair has been boil washed and is nice and damp, use a towel to remove the excess of water and let it dry natural. So let me show you this doll on which I did this process first, as to know if it truly works or not. Actually, this doll was having a huge ponytail bump, and if you follow me on Instagram, you probably noticed that I used to create ponytail hairstyles most of the times, as this was the reason. I'm very happy with the results, and even more so that this method really works. So this was it. If you found this helpful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment with any advice or thoughts you may have. I would love to know. I'll be posting more ideas or DIYs for you guys, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye. My videos are intended for teens and adult doll collectors.